Hey guys, let's talk a little bit about the package managers in Ubuntu. And not only Ubuntu, actually, you see them in many Linux distributions. I just want to share with you what I'm doing and how am I using them. For me, there are three ways I'm using to install applications. The first one is using the Discover. So Discover is a software that comes installed with the operating system. Whatever you find here, most of the situations it will be running fine because it's made specifically for your operating system. You can also update your applications that are already installed from here, and I would say that it's the best possible way to install them. Now the second way is with the apt package manager, which is used for almost all the tools and software in Ubuntu. The apt package manager will install stable software for your operating system, but most of the time. In some situations, you might face any problems with the software you're installing, and in these situations, I'm usually trying to install it using the Snap package manager. All I know about Snap is that it's running the applications in container mode, and some of the apps will run slower. But you can try newer versions, and if you face any problems with the apt package manager, you can always try with Snap and see if there's any problem. So let me demonstrate you real quick. If we type sudo apt update, let's type the password, that will update the package manager, and then we can install any application we like to. For example, htop, we already have it installed. If you want to search for any software, you can type sudo apt search and the name of the software, for example VOC. So you can see I found many results. We have VOC, VOC beam, VOC data. In most of the situations, you have basic explanations what this package is. You can also pipe to a second command where you can type grep VOC, which will extract you only the packages that contain the VOC word. Now about the snap, you can use sudo snap install VOC. And once it's installed, you can use snap run VOC. As I said, it might be a little bit slower when you're opening the application, but you can try newer versions sometimes. And if you face any problems with the apt, you can try with Snap and see if it's any different.